Thank you for getting me to 100k subs. Shit. You need to put your all into racing. आप ऐसे आके नहीं बोल सकते walk in the park. अरे please दे दो. I love your hair also, by the way. Can you give me some tips? I got wait too long. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. You can go, Roman. So, I was saying welcome back to Bike with Girl. I flew into Coimbatore last night because यहाँ पे इंडिया का सबसे टेक्निकल रेस ट्रैक है करी मोटर स्पीडवे. Now I came to this track very long ago क्योंकि I had come to a riding school over here और ये ट्रैक मुझे उस टाइम बहुत ही पसंद आया था. I fell in love, but now this track has changed entirely. तो आज यहाँ पे कुछ करने वाले हम लोग. तो आप चलिए मेरे साथ, चलिए लेट्स गो.
से अंदर बावनारा.
So biryani, I'm Jack, na? Last.
Jack.
I'm Jack.
Just ensure you're going in the same variant.
ज़्यादा सस्पेंस नहीं रखने का. This is RE India's first race bike, by the way. This is the GTR 650 and it is full retro race scenes with this one. And what's more exciting is that these bikes now have a freaking championship of their own, like TVS and Honda. And guess what? I'm going to get to go out and play with one of these in the middle of the races. I mean, they're giving me some special time to go out and have fun on this bike and experience it. So I'm going to tell you all about it. I can't wait. And another surprise is I am going to be wearing my X3000 Legends Agostini replica, which they used to wear back on the day to ride retro motorcycles like this one. So I'm going to, I'm totally getting into the feels of this. तो आप मेरे साथ चलो अब, ठीक है ना? Let's go. Race with Royal Enfield at the GTR Cup here in India. 1. You need to go to an FMSCI accredited school, say the CSS or FMSCI? So CSS, Indy Motard, RACR, there's a bunch of schools out there. Trust me, if you're a rider, a biker, going to a riding school is going to up your game in any case. So go to one, you're going to learn amazing things like riding is not only just about clutch, gears and throttle, you know. Number 2, you could have an FMSCI license or you could have raced in any of the FMSCI races out there, any of the championships that is. Number 3, which is very important, I must tell you that, is you need to be quick. If you're not fast, you're not going anywhere, you cannot race. Because this time I think there were about 350 odd people enrolled in this championship this year, and out of which 20 were selected and now 18 are racing in this championship, which is a big deal because you need to be really quick and you need to set a fast freaking lap time. To go there, I would not be able to do it, let me just tell you, because I'm not a racer. People like Zaran Modi, come Zaran. Zaran is from Autocar. He is a journo, but he's freaking fast as
In the company of journos, when it comes to the national champions that I'm racing against, I am very much in second last place actually. If you could like crowdfund a nitrous cylinder or something.
Arey, go yaar, these people. They're also going to look for things like how you corner, whether you're able to balance the motorcycle well. So these are just basic things. Of course, if you can ride a motorcycle, you can set quick lap times, I'm sure that you're going to be able to do the rest. But yeah, this is your basic criteria. The enrollment fee for the GTR Cup is 25,000 rupees. And I think that's really, really not bad, because to race in India independently is a very, very expensive affair. And Royal Enfield is really making it accessible in a time where a lot more people want to race. I want to race, but I don't think I have it in me. I've raced 2 seasons and I got a podium and I'm happy. Conti GT जो हमको मिलती है 650, इसमें अलग क्या है, क्या किया है Royal Enfield ने to make this a souped up version, to make it a race bike. Let's start with the clip-ons. It's a nice low, very low feeling, and especially when you're out on track. Look at how low. Yeah, so it's like literally the old school retro racing scene coming back with this bike. Then you've got the rear set foot pegs, they've moved back. And then there is these tires which are not stock. They're not slicks, as you can see. If you notice, there's also a belly pan on here to basically reduce the chances of oil leakage on the racetrack. Royal Enfield has changed up the rear subframe and now it's shorter, which in turn has made the bike lighter. Oh, there's also the new rear suspension, which has kind of made the bike taller. So the GTR 650 now has preload adjusters on the front suspension, unlike the stock Conti GT 650, which I think is pretty damn cool. What I noticed about the bike is that it is geared a lot shorter. Because of shorter gearing, there is definitely a lot of limiter banging happening. And yeah, it's a matter of getting used to, because every bike is different and is geared differently. From my personal experience, I think this is a tad heavy, a tad bit heavy. In the first session that I took this bike out, I couldn't turn it all that well. That's why I was going at very slow speeds. I had forgotten all about my body position. It was just a shit show. But then I went on to the second session and I felt a lot better. Vatesh, come here na. He thinks a feather is going to protect him from you guys, but it's not. So how was your first session?
First session? We had only one session. We are acting as if we had 2
Sorry,
sessions.
I got second session because...
special people.
No, because I begged. I was like, please, they know. What do you think of this bike?
It's a little difficult to ride. Yeah.
बोला था मैंने.
Because
बोला था.
I came in after 15 minutes and I was winded. I
Oh,
felt like
yeah.
I had done like a proper workout. I don't know how these racer boys do it for so long, but they're also very fit.
Yeah.
It's a very sorted bike, you know.
It is.
The balance is there. The chassis, the underpinnings have always been balanced.
Right.
The changes to the suspension make it even more balanced. It's planted. It's confident. At no point you feel like it's out of control.
I just want to end with the fact that brands like Royal Enfield, brands like TVS, brands like Honda are making racing accessible in this country. So if this is something you want to do, now is the time, do it. I started very late in life and I'm still very, very happy that I started. Now I don't have the time to really put my mind and my energies and my, like workouts into, you need to be very physically fit, by the way. You need to put your all into racing if you're getting into this like seriously, know that for sure. आप ऐसे आके नहीं बोल सकते walk in the park, walk in the park. It's not a walk in the park, okay? It's not a walk in the park. You're getting the opportunity, you're getting to do this at a very reasonable cost. This is something you should definitely think about doing. Anyway guys, like, subscribe, share. And we'll see you in the next video. Ciao!